Are you sick and tired of flossing? Well then, worry no more because we have a solution for you, Power Flossing. This is one of our many solutions to smart flossing alternatives. Featured today is basically our digital or power flosser. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Diksha Batra, your pain-free dentist, making sure you have and keep a gorgeous smile painlessly. So just for you, we have a solution which is called a power flosser or a digital flosser. It works exactly like a power brush. So all you need to do is use the flosser, no more threads, no more getting tangled and no more bleeding. So this is the power flosser that we're talking about. Now this has three parts. A changeable tip, which basically snaps on and snaps off. It's really soft, so it cannot injure your gums in any way. You have a body which holds the entire battery, and then there's an on-off switch. When you put it on, you can hear the vibrations. It's really gentle, and if you release it, it goes off. So let's see how we're going to use this digital flosser. So this power flosser comes on like this, and you're going to use it in between your teeth, exactly like this. So at least there's no more thread, no more bleeding. And be careful not to use it, in any other angle. Just keep it perpendicular. Now between uses, you want to make sure you're rinsing it out and then going back again to the next area. So compared to the regular floss, the power flosser beats everything. Now it's quick. That's the best advantage. It's easy to use. It gives us great access to get to the back, which is the target area. It's also really gentle, so there's absolutely no bleeding, no bloody flosses coming out of your mouth, and whether you're young or old, you can use it very comfortably. And it's especially amazing when you're wearing braces. It can clean between the teeth really well. Now you must be wondering that the pricing must be really expensive for something like this. Well, no, it's not. It's just priced at an economical 900 rupees and it comes with changeable tips. You get 10 tips with the initial pack and the refill tips are really cheap to take up. You could use one tip for as much as up to a week depending on your force of usage. You can find this entire gadget available online easily or even at certain select chemists and dentists near you. This device lasts up to 2 years. It has a warranty, but it's a huge benefit in terms of time, access, and preventing you any cavities. Do you think you found the perfect alternative to flossing? Leave your answer in the comments below. Drop us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel, The Pain-Free Dentist, making dentistry painless one smile at a time.